You know who it is. It's your girl Esther. Even though you can't see my face, in this overview I'm doing, it's not really important because emphasis will be on feet today. Okay, so I'll be showing you the art of sea walking. This isn't a tutorial, it's more like background information, but you can still pick things up. So, this is what sea walking looks like. Okay, so shoulders are width, so your feet have to be a shoulder width apart. Left foot will be heel, so you lift it like that. Right foot will be toe. At the same time, so it looks like that. You go away, you turn it. Go away, you turn it. Now you flip things. So the left foot was heel, now it becomes toe. The right foot was toe, now it becomes heel. So it looks like this. Boom, 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 boom. And for fun, you can just like boom, 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 boom. Okay. When going forward and back, it is better not to do heel toe, but to be flat. That's due to balance. So, boom, 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 boom. Another thing is, what some people forget about dancing is that your whole body will be seen, not just your feet, your legs, your arms as well. So utilize your arms to make the move look cooler. So another thing about sea walking, both feet do not necessarily have to do the sea walk move. So let me show you. You can do it just right footed. Okay? Another factor you can add to your sea walking is using your arms. So you make it look like your arm is driving your leg. So watch. Okay, that left foot doesn't necessarily have to be a decoration. So it can be like, you see? And you can also switch up so you can see walk with the left foot as well. I'm predominantly right foot, so I do a lot of moves right-sided. But yeah, you still have to use both feet. Next video, I will teach you an actual sea walk count, 8 counts altogether, and I expect you guys to learn it. So, if you don't already, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.